Cebu Sports Complex has been closed to the general public for more than a year kasi there was kailangan talagang refurbishing, no? Kailangan repair in preparation for palarong pambansa in which Cebu City has been selected to host. Malaki ang ginastos nito. The last time it has gone repair was in 1990s pa. How many years ago? More than 20 years na hindi talaga ito na-repair. Ngayon, when I came in, luckily I was allowed to go inside. Nakita ko talaga na it is already prepared. Rubberized ang track oval, repainted. At saka may mga ibang structures nga bagong inilagay. They are all ready, very much ready para sa Palarong Pambansa 2024 on which Cebu City will be hosting. Today, marami na akong nakita mga athletes practicing, familiarizing with the oval. And as a Cebuano, I am so proud na dito sa Cebu gaganapin ang Palarong Pambansa. The last time I said was in 1990s pa when it was held here in Cebu. Very proud. Sana it will be very successful and hoping the weather will cooperate. So kailangan natin ng magdasal kang Senyor Santo Niño to provide us good weather.
Kalakwatsera worldwide, sa mga health enthusiasts, to all the Cebuanos and all the Filipinos. There will be the opening of Palarong Pambansa on July 9 and the venue is the new refurbished Cebu Sports Center here in Cebu City, my city. I would like to invite all of you to visit Cebu to witness the grandiose display of sportsmanship, camaraderie, and skills and strength of the Filipino youth. We just pray to Senyor Santo Niño that we will be provided with a good weather and deter or avoid any untoward injury. And there should be unity, love, companionship, and celebration of sportsmanship in our beloved city of Cebu. Tara, anin na ta sa Cebu para mulantaw sa Palarong Pambansa 2024. Have a blessed day. Thank you very much. Thank you. Amazingly, na ay ni-approach sa ako ang mamita, pwede magpa-picture. I was so surprised nga may mga athlete ni ay well representing Region 7 sa athletic. What's your name, ma'am? Jamaica. And of course, the member, anak na ko sa community, si Poach, no? Please wish them luck so that Region 7 can bring home gold. Though, Daang Bantayan, I am from the north because I came from the municipality of Medellin. Let's pray that they will grab the gold, but ang pinaka-importante, walay injury.
Yes.
No, walay injury. And keep praying nga tagaan ta ni Santo Niño maayo nga weather kay maugid ng kontra, especially sa mga outdoor competition. I love you. Thank you sa suporta. Daang Bantayan, please support. Ani mo diri. Cheers for our athlete because your applause maka-rejuvenate na sa ilang enthusiasm and competitive spirit. Have a blessed day. Thank you. And salamat sa suporta. Amping mo kanunay. I love you guys. Permission to post.
Yes.
Later.
Yes.
Cheers. Region 7. Particularly
Region 7.
Cebu. Bye. I love you mga anak. I love you. I love you mo. At doon ako. Amping. Injury. Good morning! What a big surprise! Akon kasi manwa, in fact, relative ininakon. Ang manggod ni nating. Yan, ipakilaya ni mo imo pangayan sa mga tanan nga viewers. At least iba na ako nga viewers. Sige, introduce yourself na.
Sige. Ako si Joji Malaya ng Romblon. Nandito ako sa futsal. Kami sa Cebu City Sports Complex. Kami sa futsal. Officiating officials.
Officiating official para sa NCR ka mo, no?
Hindi. 4B.
Imaw gihapon sa Region 4B representing
Romblon.
Romblon. Sige, good luck sa aton mga kasimanwa sa Romblon.
Thank you.